Today I'm gonna turn Pikachu into a no-bake lemon and chocolate cheesecake. Oh, this is so cool. So let's get started. So I'm gonna pop some graham crackers into a little mini food processor and pulse until they are completely, I don't know, crumbly, till it looks like sand, basically. And then I'm gonna add some melted butter, and that is like the easiest crust ever, right? Hey. So I'm gonna pour this into my cheesecake pan and then press it down. And pressing it down will make sure everything like sticks together and it's like nice and firm. And we're gonna pop that in the fridge. So I have some cream cheese here, and I'm gonna add some sugar and then beat that with an electric mixer until it's nice and smooth. And then on top of this, I'm gonna add some cream and some vanilla extract and some lemon rind and juice. So normally I just use lemon juice, and this helps it set, but because we want this to taste more lemony, I'm gonna add the lemon rind as well. And now, to make sure that this sets properly, I have some water, and I am going to pour that into a bowl and add some gelatin on top. And microwave it for about 5 minutes, no, 5 minutes, no, like 30 seconds. 5 minits would, no, it would explode in your microwave, don't do that. Okay, get the face out of there. Excuse me, yeah, no, it's too close, too close. Gonna pour that into the cheesecake mixture and mix it in nice and thoroughly. And now I'm gonna take about 1/3 of the mixture and pop that into a smaller bowl and add some cocoa powder. And this is going to create Pikachu's stripe. To the rest of the cheesecake, we're going to add some yellow food coloring. So now we have our pan back in front of us, and we're gonna pour about half of the yellow cheesecake mixture in, and make sure you spread it to the sides, because we wanna make sure that when we take off the sides of the pan, we see each stripe. Chill it in the fridge for about 10 minutes, and then do that with all of the chocolate layer, and making sure that it goes to the sides. Chill it again for like 10 minutes, and then the rest of the yellow on top. And we're gonna pop that into the fridge and keep it in the fridge like overnight for it to set. To make the decorations, it's pretty easy. I'm gonna take some yellow candy melts, and I know I hate candy melts, but this is like the easiest way, and it's fine for like a little bit of stuff, it's fine. Just gonna bake the ears on a sheet of parchment because it's really easy to peel the candy melts off parchment when they've set, as well as Pikachu's tail. And then we're gonna leave them yellow right now, and we're gonna pop them into the fridge. I'm gonna take some like regular chocolate, but I've added like a touch of charcoal powder, and that's gonna make it black. Explain like more how to use it down below, because it's like kind of complicated. Now it's time to serve. So we are going to run a knife around the edges of the cheesecake to remove it from the pan, because you want to make sure it's not stuck to the edges of the pan, otherwise the cheesecake will just like shatter. And for Pikachu's cheeks, I used some Starburst that I just flattened and cut into circles. For her eyes, I got some more of that chocolate and just dolloped it right onto the cheesecake for the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. And got some white chocolate for like the shines in the eyes, and that makes like such a difference, you guys. Oh my gosh, it goes from like demon Pikachu to like happy and like friendly Pikachu. I'm just gonna stick the ears and the tail on top, and how cool is this? I'm so happy. And do you know who also likes lemons?